Yana, did you come here freely and without reservation to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
Yes, I do.
So we save the best for last tonight. A simple hug, a kiss goodnight, as all of the angels sing.
Sa ating pong pananalangin, hingin natin sa Diyos kung tayo man ay magulang, all we can do is pray for them. Gaano ba tayo kamahal ng Diyos? Ganito tayo kamahal ng Diyos. Handang lumipang sa krus.
I'll do anything just to keep you mine. You're one of the angels, yeah, it's true. I'm standing in heaven when I'm with you. So in love, 'cause we're